Across the industrial landscape, companies are harnessing the power of digital transformation to empower workers to get more done, faster, better, and safer. Designed to streamline maintenance and reduce paperwork, Innovaptive's SAP and IBM Maximo certified mobile work order management solution automates your end-to-end maintenance processes, from work order creation and notifications to work instructions and documentation, to help you reduce unplanned downtime and production delays, improve workforce capacity, and lower your fixed asset service and maintenance costs. With mWorkOrder, maintenance technicians have mobile, online, and offline access to everything they need to complete tasks quickly and confidently. With just a few simple clicks, they can scan a QR code, identify equipment, review work order history, and more. From one location, they can easily view documentation such as schematics or PNID drawings. They can even click the equipment model number to look up information directly on a manufacturer's website. The intuitive interface makes it simple to report a fault, complete a risk assessment, attach photos, and create a notification that's submitted to SAP in real time. From their dashboard, supervisors can see all their notifications at a glance, instantly access information, and assign work orders to technicians in a seamless workflow. Extend the life of your mission-critical equipment by enabling technicians to perform preventative maintenance with ease and efficiency. With mWorkOrder, it's easy to track time spent, complete a risk assessment, view and submit a safety check sheet, capture inspection readings, and attach photos or other documentation, and directly order replacement parts, all using one sophisticated solution. In addition, mWorkOrder helps bridge informational gaps with the ability to digitize work instructions and make them instantly available to the right people at the right time. Ready to get rid of inefficiencies and maintenance backlogs? Transform your approach to maintenance with Innovaptive's Mobile Work Order Management Suite. To learn more, please contact us today.